Hello, I'm popping in here today because I wanted to talk to you guys about eggs. I want to talk about how to perfectly hard boil an egg. And what that means is you're going to have an egg that's fully cooked all the way through, and the yolk at the center is still going to have a lot of moisture. It's going to be very tender. It's also going to have a really bright yellow color. So you're not going to get that dull brownish colored yolk in the middle or a completely dried out egg that doesn't have any moisture left in it. There's a couple key things that you'll want to do in order to get a perfectly hard boiled egg. The first thing is you want to start out with everything being at the same temperature. So everything being cold. You're going to take the eggs, put them in cold water in the pot. So you don't want to start out by putting the eggs in boiling water because it's going to shock the egg, and it's likely that the egg will crack from the shock of being put into boiling water. So fill up a pot with cold water, put your eggs inside, make sure that they're fully submerged, and then put that on the heat. You'll bring all of those up to a boil together, and then once the water is at a boil, take it off of the heat. You're going to cover that pot with a lid, and then you're going to set your timer for 12 minutes. 12 minutes exactly, and when that 12 minutes is up, you can drain the water off of the egg and run them under cold water so that you'll be able to peel them. Once you peel them inside, you'll have a perfectly hard-boiled egg every single time. That's the magic and the key to getting perfectly hard-boiled eggs. I'll see you soon. Bye.